In response to recent claims by VPP MLA Adelbert Nongrum alleging illegalities in the Meghalaya Police recruitment advertisement, Deputy Chief Minister Preston Thinsong has refuted Nongrum's assertions, emphasizing a lack of thorough examination of the office memorandum. Thinsong stressed the necessity for strict age requirements in positions demanding physical fitness like those within the police force. The Deputy Chief Minister's clarification aims at dispelling confusion and encouraging eligible candidates to participate in the recruitment process.
Tikun samla kimdai basuk tu baklai katu statement kaba ai iba adalbat. Namar kan pen king klik pen banyaki kin ong bahab larolong tangin apply ningin apply. Tengok ban percaya ni ba kidai ban apply kat kum katu advertisement ke bengila advertise ke bengila ai lut jigit detail na rusdong kin ya syakman ya mentang edang pan pada ya ka approval na ka election commission balamong in operate no ya katu ka online application mentang edang app satang ya kata na marhisang ikwa bat sedang no noduk ka pratrik denrei menin denrei hadu mentang ipat yok ka clearance.
The National People's Party will lodge a complaint